Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question many fail to solve, but you have already done this. Then comment your answer in the description. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS. Here parenthesis part is this 8 plus 4 which give you the result 12 divided by 2. Okay, so if you think 12 by 6 and the answer will be 2, then you are wrong. So what is the correct way? We will show 12 divided by, we will write again 12 divided by 2 into 3. As we know, division and multiplication the same priority, and in that case we will have to solve from left to right. So first we will solve this operation. 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. Now 3, and 6 times 3, that is give you 18. So here 18 will be the right answer. And if you want more videos like this, then subscribe our channel and must check out best books in the description. Thanks for watching.